I'm like, oh my god, it's supposed to happen eventually because if you keep on crying for the last 2 nights and also an hour before you sat down to shoot, it's gonna happen eventually. Anxiety issues are so worse, man. This is so worse. Okay, so keeping aside everything, hello, my lovelies, my hide and seek biscuit, my cookies, my chocolate chip cookies, my everything. I hope you all are doing amazing no matter what happens. And yeah, this is my sari. I really like this combination of dark green and sun sunshine yellow. I really like this particular thing, and so I thought, like, I'm gonna wear this to a wedding event. Yes, the very same wedding event that I've been talking about for the last two videos of mine. Yes, the first episode of In the Mood series and the second episode of also In the Mood series. This is the third episode. Oh my god, I'm getting consistent eventually. Not bad. Proud moment. Okay, listen. I am confused between two. I look like I'm just confused. Like always, every time. I figured out the Oliver base makeup, but I am confused with the eye makeup. In one side, I'm like, let's go with the outfit color, like dark green and a little bit yellow shimmer, golden shimmer. And on the other side, I'm just thinking of going with the brown smoky eye with with definitely the golden shimmer and all. So let's do it. Let's see how it works. Come on. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so and one particular thing I would like to say is that I mean like I've been very talkative in the last particular video, the second episode of In the Mood series. I'm talking about the big Zach. So okay, so mask ranges. Yes, as I was telling. So last particular video I've been like very talkative, like literally it crossed 30 minutes and I'm not happy with it. Okay, and also the views, oh my god, that was like, let's not talk about that. Okay, so keeping everything in mind, I'll try to keep this video short, 10 to 15 minutes maximum, and not more than that. So doing everything all together, I'll definitely go with the makeup, like with the eye makeup first and then the base all together. Okay, so using Lucky Charm from Nika K, this particular brown shade. Let's go. Okay, so also using Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette and using this beautiful orange shade to blend. Picking up these two green shades from the Lucky Charm palette again from Nika K. Let's blend it in all together. Okay, so using this beautiful golden shade from Nika K, and let's see. Eh, yes, definitely cool your eyes. And I'll leave this thing particularly at here for the time being because I also have to do the lower section. But first, the eyelids of this particular section. Let's do this. Using the brown shade again from Lucky Charm. Lucky Charm is so lucky charm. Oh my god, lucky enough to get my blessings and my touch and my everything. And oh my god. Okay, that's a very beautiful brown shade. Trust me, here it looks so beautiful and dark, but the camera definitely it has its very own and a resolution and everything and all. Let's keep blending. Using again this beautiful palette from Mars. We'll be using these two particular shades and let's go do this. I'm absolutely keen to know like what happens to you guys when you hit that anxiety note at 2 a.m., especially at night. Like for me, it's always the fear of failing my parents, unable to do anything in life, and be a trash and joke to the society and your relatives, even relatives. Indian relatives, oh my god, leave them like that. But yes, these are all, but also failed relationships, failed friendship, like people blaming me, friends blaming me. Like it's also not that, but you know friends blaming me, people blaming me, having a failed relationship, having a broken marriage, and a lot of things, and a lot of things goes on when I hit this particular phase. Because definitely, because I'm currently going through a rough phase, like I shared in the very second episode of this series, in the mode that uh, I will definitely die with the regret of me being like my inability or whatever it is. Like I couldn't get into a regular university. Like I had to opt for an open university since I had no choice back then, and it can haunt me. It does because, like I said in the very beginning of this particular episode, that I cried just an hour back before sitting for this thing, and yeah, it is a little bit darker here. Sometimes I know it gets a little bit darker. Scared, petrified, horrified, but still. Again, it's early morning, and you just push yourself up from your bed, up of your bed, and you were like, it's not the day. We have to fight back. It's just been, I don't know, seems like a little bit struggle. That's it. Nothing else more. And perfectly, absolutely. And now for the time, I'm using this very much from Blue Heaven. Cool. I don't know, but I'm just, not little bit, but I feel somewhere that I'm too much like scared and paranoid and everything. Because I literally, like, I called myself like a week back, like, I am the Destiny's most hated, most un like like disliked child, because that's what life have been lately, like throwing pelting stones at me, throwing challenges. I don't know, I have heard somewhere that uh to be a brave soldier, uh no, I wait. It's it when it goes on like the, to make your shoulders strong, you know like like the stones are thrown at you the most to make your shoulders strong, like your backbone strong, to make a very strong personality of you. Okay, using this time poison apple from Nika K. I'm gonna use this beautiful shade. Pigmentation. Oh my god, let's use this. I'm dead. I genuinely don't know what life has kept me, but thoughts of failing your parents, like I said, failed relationship, friendship, broken marriage, blah blah, and what not. Like there are list. It scares the shit out of me. Like it scares it. I'm like I'm scared. Like it just brings tears to my eyes, and yeah, it feels like it sometimes feel that I've reached the rock bottom where I couldn't do anything and everything in life. And today, early in the morning, I woke up and having a conversation with Ma, and in between that, like, I became so overwhelmed with everything that's been going on that I almost had tears. And then Ma be like, don't worry, everything will fall in place. Have faith. I hardly see you being this vulnerable. I do not count my daughter as being this vulnerable. I know my daughter is very strong enough to handle it. Whatever it is, pick it up, gear up your socks, pull up your socks, sorry, pull up your socks and fight back your demons. Time for the full base and definitely the under eye makeup. Let's go do this. Did the base off camera. I know I look like a raccoon, tanned raccoon, but let's get this thing blended first. Okay, so it's basically done. Now let's do the lower section of it. So for the green iPad, I'm gonna go with definitely Blue Heaven, non-sponsored. I know you could see me using lots of Blue Heaven and Mars products, but those are all non-sponsored. This particular section is done for the time being again, and let's go with this one. Definitely gonna line it up and smudge it up with the brown eyeshadow. So this is basically the two looks. I'm thinking I would go with either of the one. Definitely I cannot attend the party with both of this. Okay, so I'm gonna do the brows, liner, mascara, everything off camera, and we'll be coming back soon. Hold on. Okay, so I am back doing everything. Now let's go for the base. Definitely gonna be using very dewy or very moisturizing foundation, since mattifying foundation doesn't suit the winter weather. So let's go for it. Using L18 Lasting Glow Foundation 03 Shell. Hello, Miss Polka Dotty. Now let's go blend blend. Okay, now for contouring, let's do this. I've already applied and now it's time for blending. Lastly, blush, like literally who can forget that? Definitely using Blue Heaven's Kiss and Blush lip and cheek tint. Yeah, in the shade Rosy Dusk. Okay, lipstick is a must. I'm using Necklines Coral Kids 07. I like the shade so much. It's so beautiful. Let's go for this. Not too much. Go. Definitely a green bindi because that would definitely accentuate. Yes. Okay, so let's go for the final look in three, two, one. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you all like this. I added some, artificial rose because, like, a stick, like a rose with a stick, is no less than 30 rupees right now, and I'm broke. Okay, so this is the final look. I somewhere feel like both the looks are going with the attire. Nothing wrong with that. Is that I need to make a decision at the very last moment. So it's up to me now. What do you think, guys? Like this side or this side? Let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you guys like this particular look. So yes, since it's the end of the video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you have not. What are you doing? You should be subscribing to my daily dose of Monday rant. Exactly. Duh. Okay, so see you guys in the next episode of In the Mode series. Till then, stay good, stay safe, stay blessed, and let me go and enjoy my wedding event. Let's go.